Mheshimiwa Rais anakaribia hapa kuingia kwenye basi ya
Welcome Your Excellency. G+3.
Hakuna sehemu ya Kenya itawachwa nyuma katika maendeleo ambayo tunaendesha. Ya barabara, ya stima, affordable housing, ya masoko na ile kazi yote ambayo tuko nayo. Kwa hivyo mimi nataka niwaeleze watu wa sehemu hii. Nyuma pale ilisemekana this is a low potential area. But I want to assure you, in the program that we have, in the development of water harvesting and storage infrastructure that I have committed myself to, and I am very clear that the 50 mega dams, there are 1,000 other dams that we are going to build is for purposes of harvesting water, storing water, and turning the northern Kenya from a low potential area to a high potential area. Dam kubwa ambayo tutajenga hapa inaitwa High Grand Falls Dam. Ndio italeta maji Garissa County. The biggest beneficiary of the High Grand Falls Dam, which is going to be probably the largest dam in the Republic of Kenya when it is completed. The biggest beneficiary, and we are targeting between 300 and 400,000 acres of land. The biggest beneficiary is going to be here in Garissa County. We are also looking at River Dawa and all the other rivers. In fact, in the plan to have 2.5 million acres of land under irrigation, 1.5 million acres of land under irrigation will be in northern Kenya and coast. So I want to tell every Kenyan that we will make sure that we turn every part of Kenya and harness their potential so that together we can grow our country.